Are you having menstrual pain? Like, are you having cramps? Are you already rolling on the floor? Are you feeling uncomfortable because you can't sit down, you can't lie down, you're just pacing up and down? Well, sit down and listen to this to the end, because I have information for my ladies, and I'll be starting with menstrual pain. Yes, if you're having menstrual pain, try getting cloves and hot water. You can actually decide to boil the cloves, or you can boil your water, get cloves, put your hot water in a cup and add just little cloves to the water, and then you just drink. It will take care of your menstrual pain. So now let me talk to the ladies in the house. Yes, it does so many stuffs for you apart from helping you sort out your cramps or your menstrual pain. Okay, so I wrote down some stuffs. Cloves reduce menstrual pain, it improves digestion and boosts immunity. The antioxidants in cloves can help reduce your risk of heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers by eliminating free radicals from your body. So, I don't know if you've seen my first video on benefit of cloves. If you've not, you should rush down there now to check for it and see reasons why you need to chew or drink cloves water maybe every day or at least twice a week. So a friend posted in the comment section or commented in the comment section that cloves can be used as hair growth. Yes, if you've watched my video on how to grow your hair with cloves water, you would see that yes, cloves can be used also to grow your hair. And also she said mixing cloves water with honey and milk makes you last longer in bed. And also she also said drinking cloves water cures yeast infection. Well, I'll be making more inquiries on that, like I promised, on how to use cloves to cure infection. So she also said it cleans the wombs. Also, for those who have infertility, drink it on an empty stomach in the morning, then after meal in the evening for good results. So while you're taking your normal medicines and everything you're doing for your infertility, you can try adding cloves water to it. And like she said, you have to drink it early in the morning on empty stomach, or you drink it in the evening after your dinner. So let me know one or two things you know about cloves, on how it can help, any of the health benefit of cloves, maybe to females or to males or to everybody generally. I don't know. Help me comment that in the comment section so that I can make more research on it and come back to make a video. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to comment. Your comment is very important, and also don't forget to subscribe if you've not. Then don't forget to share this video so it can reach that lady or that a female friend that is always crying of menstrual pain, or so they would know this little information also I have dropped down in this video. So thank you, have an amazing day, see you on my next video, bye.